When birds keep circling your home, landing where they shouldn't and leaving damage behind, it can feel never-ending. PESTEZE brings a calm, humane way to interrupt that cycle. These holographic circles combine light, motion, and sound to gently signal birds to stay away. Hang them near rooftops, gardens, balconies, orchards, patios, or anywhere birds tend to linger. They're easy to set up. Just hang them where wind and sunlight can reach. As they rotate, flashing reflections, predator eye visuals, and soft bell chimes create an environment birds instinctively avoid. Built to last through the seasons, completely chemical-free and safe for people, pets, and wildlife. Protect your space with the PESTEZE 3-pack holographic predator eye circles with bell, available now at PESTEZE.com. With PESTEZE, pests don't stand a chance.